Hello, perhaps you've negotiated a special deal with a marketplace seller and they're setting up a private offer for you to accept. Well, configuring a private offer requires the customer to provide their billing ID to the seller. This very quick video will show you how to find your billing ID in the Azure Portal. Have a look at the URL on your screen for more information about the Azure Marketplace, to include videos, hands-on labs, and sample code. All right, with that, let's get started. One note before we move into a demo. To see the billing ID, a user must have one of these roles. This means some customers may need to ask their Azure administrator for the billing ID or request a role that allows viewing the billing ID. Now, assuming you have the right role assigned, let's see how to find your billing ID. Here we are in the Azure Portal, and I'm going to use the standard search at the top of the screen to simply type cost, and I'm going to select cost management and billing. Now, before I do this, I will note there are several ways to get to the billing ID. This one is just very quick and straightforward. So I'm selecting cost management and billing. From here, I'm going to select billing scopes. Now, I only have one billing scope. There may be more than one in your organization. In my case, I'm going to select Elegant Code, and from here, I'm looking at my Elegant Code billing scope. I can scroll down to Properties and find my billing ID right here. Now, mine's grayed out so that it doesn't go public, but here are some examples of what billing IDs might look like. Now, if you have an enterprise agreement versus a Microsoft customer agreement, then they'll take different formats, and that's okay. Just take your billing ID, provide it to your seller, and they'll be able to properly configure the private offer for you. Thank you for joining us for another video from Mastering the Marketplace, the learning library where technologists go to get their offer on the Microsoft Marketplace. For more videos, hands-on labs, and sample code, find us at aka.ms/masteringthemarketplace.